That's right, yeah, they said they were.
Should be a lot of storms.
They said the open.
Always seems to be on the news, though.
Where I am,
I can still stay here.
is it just her? Probably give you the camcorder when they start coming on so I can take pictures. Green saddle pads. You're good.
Yeah.
You're fine. Oh, they actually got
It's a string of horses.
they've got their flag. Yeah, so RAC on the top.
Where is he?
He's gonna be maybe the last one. Right now he looks like the last one. He'll be the second to the last. Anthony. Huh? Get the soda. Yes. Okay, no. We'll just put him across your lap. No, I mean they're here. Corey has such great.
My fault. I parked you guys in the wrong spot.
That's okay.
We just looked like we needed more room.
Let's walk down to the other end.
You're pointing at the wrong team. Well, I mean, it's not just pizza. They got Sugarloaf, all kinds of crazy stuff.
Walk down here.
Buffalo chicken.
Dang it, I can't remember what.
You have to go on the other side again. No stairs still.
Is that for this whole junior group?
Well, no, I imagine so we're way down number 3. I don't know
Okay.
what your next game is.
It's supposed to be 3 o'clock.
Yeah, exactly. I want to go see if it's at
Yeah, but half these kids haven't had lunch
I know.
because they were tacked for, you know, an hour or more.
So what are you going to do?
Good job, Ellie. Pressure.
Hold on.
Good girl. Take your time, Ellie. Emmy.
Take a player, Green. Green, take a player.
On your players. Fight for that ball.
Take a player, Anthony. There you go.
Get up, Brandon. Hey, Chuck, is that the same kid from a year ago?
Huh?
That's the same kid from a year ago.
Certainly we want
The score is 9-5 in favor of Lone Star.
Anthony, I put it on aperture
What's that?
mode.
Okay.
So the ball is in and all has been out. Alright, so it's up in the racket. It's over from the number 1 from Lone Star. He bounces over the line. A big bounce, bouncing around, but he manages to come up with it and runs off the back line. So
That's the most annoying
three
mistake.
down the line roller. We'll have left. Your ball bouncing around.
Is that Lone Star?
So Roller picks up the ball. He's taking a swing on the road. Number 1 lines up. Says, I'm not letting you out of my area. I want the ball back.
You saw a split down in your file of a smaller dollar.
Anthony, that's enough.
Runs a lot of traffic, goes into the thank you very much, thanks for the help. Coach takes back down the field. Sage also wonderful player for his Rollo takes it back. Rollo takes it back, throws it in the mid, almost has it in and out of the racket and on the back, up in the Lone Star racket. That was a pretty move, but didn't last. Oh, so nice, far reaching bounce. That's number 3 for Lone Star. He's running into trouble from number 1. He says, I got this. He pushes that horse on out of the way, throws it to number 1.
That was a good catch.
Puts it right over Rollo and goal. What a play. What a play. Extra score 5 in favor of Lone Star. The players are coming back to the tee. Number 6, hey, hang up a second, no rushing. They're going to come in, they throw the ball, and they're
That's what I wanted. There you go, Paige.
Yeah. And Miss makes his way easy down the field.
Why is
Says, I think take care of me. She makes a beautiful bounce over the line, no trouble at all. Shoots and
nice? Did you see that goal?
a lot of wood from Dory Johnson. You get a lot of wood from Rod Shuttles. He turns around and says, I'll just take another lap around. Come on, Mitch, let's do this. He throws a big pass.
Nice!
Catches it. Beautiful catch. Beautiful
Yes!
Oh, the score is 7-10 in favor of Lone Star still, but CPC says, wait a second, don't count me out. I still want that belt buckle. So coming in fast into the chair, his racket's up. Horse is dancing around, but they say, I'll take it. Throws it in the racket. It's 3 for Lone Star. Robbie says, here, come here, bring it to me. Raul's right there on Robbie. Robbie catches the ball.
I'd have had one.
Raul's right in his face, takes a big swing. Robbie gets by him, shoots, and scores.
Go, Green. Line up, Green.
So there's 2 minutes left in this pocket, and it is 7-11 in favor of Lone Star. Lone Star didn't like this. CPC was catching up and had to put another one on the board. So the ball comes in, and it's in the racket of Mitch. Once again,
There you go, Mitch.
Come on! mark up, take a player. I need your help. He's getting a lot of work. Somebody loses the racket, the ball's on the ground.
Where's Mitch's racket?
It's up in the racket of Lone Star number 1. Robbie says, thank you very much. I'll make my way easily down the field. Checks up his horse to make a nice bounce. Beautiful bounce. But Raul's right there and says, this isn't going to be easy. Robbie says, okay, turns around.
Come on, Green, come on. Down here.
So the ball comes in, and it's out on the one. And I think the call was the repo. All the horses back up, and they're all anxious and dancing around.
Don't rush me.
Umpire says, don't rush me, get out of my face. So umpire throws in the ball, and it's down.
Here's Raul.
There we go.
I have been retired for a while, but I am back, as good as ever. So Paige takes the player. Raul says, Paige, thanks for trying to make me a spot, but I think I'm going to go this way. Raul runs into Dory Johnson and says, Dory, I'll take you any day. Dory's pushing around. He just tosses the ball in. Beamer had a nice push there. Mitch says, thanks, Dory, for rushing him, but I have the ball. Mitch works his way around the area. Got 10 seconds left to go. Will Mitch make this goal? And he shoots and scores. And then he wins.
Go Carolina!
Typically making their way back on the board. And we're waiting for the timer out. All right. So the score is 8-12 in favor of Lone Star. All right, so they come on to the lineup. They say, let's finish this. Let's get to go home with that belt buckle. It's frozen. It's on the side for season money a little bit. I'm back. The Lone Star says, I don't care if it's on your side. I'm going to take it. Throws it right up to the number 1. Bounce.
Come on.
Beautiful shot by
It's okay, take it up. Go Green.
beautiful shot by Stephanie Settle. Alright, so the score is 19-16 in favor of Lone Star. They seem to be saying, hey, Sticky, I don't care that you came back. We're still going to win this.
Scooter, stop it. Stop it. Get it.
Get it, Andrew.
Yours, Andrew. Nice. Get rid of it. Go.
By Evan. Beautiful. Score 17-19 in favor of Lone Star. But
Get it, Green. Come on, Green. Come on.
I don't know what those people are thinking. I would not play Israel without a face mask.
Get it, Green. Green, get it, Green.
Yes!
Go.
They're going back down the field. They need to stay.
They're waiting for Evan to make his way down the field.
Yeah, Chris!
Here we go. I'll make you a beautiful pass. Nope, not quite. Takes a loop around. He doesn't like where his buddy Evan is standing. Evan's like, hey, Andrew, where are you going?
Where is he going?
He's making space.
I know, I was kidding.
The boys have time to do this. They throw it in off.
Get it, get it.
Yes!
Oh!
Get it.
Oh, son.
Looks like it has been overthrown.
Free goal.
I haven't got hit in the face.
Free goal to Green. Looks like
Go Green.
It was a free goal.
Last donut.
there's a shot to that. Free goal to Green.
Yes.
Yes!
It's tied? Crap, the intensity. No!
Get down there, Andrew!
He can't get in fast enough. Alright. Dude, it's so close.
Go CBC!
3 minutes? We can get some.
Yeah.
Wait, it's tied?
1923.
Yeah, it should be.
Come on, you guys, get the ball.
Get the ball.
It's still down.
It went out.
Very much for not
It's
Oh, green ball, green ball.
10-yard throw for green.
And play, Evan. Evan throws to Andrew. Says, I need your help, buddy.
Wrong way.
A lot of pressure from Red. Andrew. Oh, Evan, let's go.
Here we go. Gotta get going the right way.
Andrew looks for Evan. Can't press time. And Evan put a lot of pressure from Sam Paul. I was moved out of pressure. Evan. Get up, Evan. I'm saying, what is he doing?
Evan!
The hell is he doing?
There we go.
Right around this number one. A lot of pressure. He doesn't really know where he's going to go. There's a lot of people in the area.
Crap.
Go! He just ducked under that horse's neck.
Come on.
Go, Evan!
Don't get pushed out.
Good, Evan. Good.
This is gonna be so good. Come on.
Want to bring it back? Oh man. There we go.
Come on.
Evan says, I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'm going to back up. No, I'm going to go for this goal. Can't quite make it. Sam said his way. Sam says, don't
Take your time.
How
much does he have?
He doesn't have the time to take.
There we go.
Yeah! It's tied up again. Oh my god. What? How much?
Minute 30.
A minute!
This is the stuff that gets me hurt.
Oh my gosh, this is insane.
I hate Get the ball!
Come on.
Go, Carolina!
Right now, Jack's waiting for it to straight out. We're running out the clock. Whoever makes the next goal might have it. Get it, Green.
Come on, get it! No. No! Dang it.
And there's a whistle to play.
There was a whistle.
It might be for the ball.
Oh my god. This is crazy.
Dude, I'm scared. Ugh.
Go, Evan!
I don't even know. Get in there.
20 seconds! 26 seconds!
Go!
It's a tie.
Oh my gosh. Let's face it, if we don't get it out of the lineup, we might be over.
Tired. All these players out here looking tired. They say, I've been playing for 3 days. I'm almost ready to go home, but I'm going to fight for this.
Oh man, this is so cool.
Oh.
That's when the players thought it was over. They were having to tap back up and come on the field.
I feel so bad for them.
Bad for their horses.
I know. All right. Are you ready? All right. Oh my god.
Come on, Green!
Coming in the line, this line is number 9. Awesome moving again. The horses are dancing around. Jack says, I don't like it. Go back. Stop. These horses are so fired up. I love watching these horses.
Get it to me!
Get out of the corner!
Get it to me! I have to make this count. I have to win this game. Oh my god.
Come on.
He's taking his time because I have to make this count. He says this 3 is good, but I have to make this goal. And he says,
Oh, man.
Yeah, Carolina!
It was funny, like all roll because he got the ball out of the lineup. Nice. Get a picture of you.
No, it takes her holding. Yes, it does. How did B grade do?